Hey, this is Nick with Codify Academy. Today I want to talk to you guys about our Slack community and how you can get the most out of it. The first thing I want to talk about is the general channel. If you guys have any questions about the program, coding in general, if you guys want to post some cool tech articles or maybe some funny pictures about coding, this would be the place to do it. You could also reach out to your peers and your mentors here. It's a great resource to have. HTML, CSS channel. This is if you have any technical questions about HTML and CSS. This is a great resource for you to have if you couldn't find it on W3 Schools or YouTube or just by Googling it. You could see how alumni did it, your peers, and the mentors are always here to help out. Exact same thing for the JavaScript channel. This is where you would ask your JavaScript questions. Now there's a lot of ways to do the exact same things in JavaScript, so this would be a great place to come in and just bounce around ideas about how we would do certain things. We also have the Lobby Lounge channel. The reason why this channel is important is because only Codify Academy team members can go downstairs and get you from the lobby. So please use this channel to Slack us whenever you guys are downstairs in the lobby. Now, if you are not part of these channels already, what you could do is you could go into the Channels tab, click it, and the screen will pop up where you can search up channels. If I typed in JavaScript in here, it shows me the JavaScript channel. HTML, CSS, same. General, same. So we can look up any channels we are not a part of and join those channels. Exact same thing for direct messages. If you ever need to have a private conversation with any of the other students or your mentors, this is a great way to get in contact with them. Now, a great shortcut to do that is actually down here at the bottom left. The quick searcher for me is Control K. If you're using a Mac, it might be. So if I click on this, it actually searches through all the directories, so all of the users as well as all of the channels. Another very cool feature is actually sharing code snippets. I'm going to go back to the general channel, and if I go down to where I usually write my message, you see this plus symbol that turns green when I hover over it. If I click it, a menu pops up. I could share a file from my computer, I could share a post, or I could share a code or text snippet. If I click on code or text snippet, here in the top right, you could see that I could choose which language I want to share it in. So I'm going to leave it on HTML, and in here I could actually write HTML. And it will format it for me, which is great. And then I could also add a comment at the bottom, and I could choose to share that snippet with the channel, or you could do this in direct messages as well. And I'm just going to get rid of it. Now, if you guys can see here on the top left, I have a start section where I keep all of the channels that I follow the most. Now, if you want to favorite a channel, you can go to that channel. As you guys can see now, I'm in the general channel. Up here at the top, there is a star. If you click on that star, you will favorite the channel. As you can see, mine is already favorited, so if I click it, I will unfavorite the channel. Now, the Slack channel is extremely important. This is where you can get any of your questions answered, or how you guys can always keep in contact with us and vice versa. So please use it regularly and make sure that all of your questions are answered. Alright, I'll see you guys later.